ఒకటి just 2-3 slides ముందు before ఈ slide ఒక్కసారి you can just keep it in the slide. I didn't have time to go through.
Do not listen to the voice of the mind. Listen to the voice of the heart. The mind wavers, the heart does not. The mind is the home of doubts, reasoning, and theories. The heart, when purified, becomes the dwelling of the beloved. Rid your heart of low desires, malice, selfishness, and God will manifest in you as your true self. We have to consciously make an effort to love God. Have full childlike faith and trust in Him, which comes with sadhana or practice. Trust God completely and He will solve all your difficulties. This is all what Baba has said. All we have to do is our only worry is how to love God. Remember Him wholeheartedly and constantly.
Very good, Prasanna, very good presentation. One of the things I liked about it is the Baba's pictures are very, very sweet. Very nice pictures you have gathered from the web and put them there. That's very nice. Let's open the floor for any discussion. And please unmute, say the question, and then mute again so that Prasanna or anybody can answer. Jai Baba. So before anybody can think, worry, what brings to my mind is if you follow these 4 things, I'm sure you mentioned these 4 things. Everything happens by the will of the God. Not even leaf can move without the will of the God. So everything that happens in my life is by the will of God knows. That's one thing we have to remember. The second thing is our job is only put an effort for any action. The result belongs to the God. We can observe the result, but if we did not achieve the goal, we need to revamp our process. So our focus should be on the process, not on the result. We worry because of we want certain result. That want should be taken out. Number 3, we should surrender. If you surrender to God, then everything that happens is by the will of the God. So the surrender helps us not to worry, because everything that comes into your plate, you take it as God's will and you do it. What is the 4th thing? 4th thing is one of the Baba's love is how to love God. Is there a point? Kind of spaced out. If you are in pleasant situation, think Baba wants you in a pleasant situation, and if you are in a hard situation, what is that? If anybody can remember that, in my wish or my how to love God. That is the 4th point. So
like you say, if we suffer the suffering of others and feel happy in the happiness of others, then we love God. Is it the one?
Yes.
Or
These are the 4 points.
Worrying over our misfortunes, we think of ourselves more fortunate than many others. We are loving God.
Yes. Very good. Thank you. Those are my 2 cents.
I think be resigned to every situation and think honestly and sincerely. Baba has placed me in that situation. That's it.
Exactly. Very good. Yeah, everything comes in.
We just resign to His will.
Chanti, I think somebody unmuted. You want to say something, Chanti?
No. You carry on.
I think you put it to the Bluetooth. That's why it's making sound. Bai, you want to make any comment? ఓకే, యూ వాంట్ ఎనీ కామెంట్ చేస్తే చెయ్యి. యా, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు మేక్ ఎనీ కామెంట్.
లేదు బాగుంది.
వెరీ గుడ్.
సరే, 1 పాయింట్ నేను చెప్తాను.
చెప్పు.
ఏం లేదు, నేను నా ఓన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లో అంతకుముందు అసలు వర్రీ అనేది ఏంటంటే ఒక రకమైన పార్ట్ అండ్ పార్సల్ ఆఫ్ థింకింగ్ అయిపోతుంది. కానీ ఎప్పుడైతే మనం బాబాని కాన్స్టెంట్ గా మనం రిమెంబర్ చేస్తామో చాలా మటుకి వర్రీ తగ్గుతాయి. ఐఎమ్ షూర్ దట్ ఈస్ మై పర్సనల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. అది వినిపించిందా?
ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేస్తామా?
ఏం లేదా, వినిపిస్తుందా?
వినిపిస్తుంది.
ఏదో వర్రీ అనేది ఏంటంటే ఒక్కోసారి వర్రీ అయినా ఎంత అలవాటు అయిపోద్దంటే మనకి ఆ వర్రీ లేకుండా ఉండాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఎప్పుడు వర్రీ ఏదో ఒకటి ఉండాల్సిందే. లేకపోతే అసలు ఏంటో ఏదో ఊహించుకోవడం. బట్ ది బెస్ట్ solution is, as Baba said, keep remembering me constantly and wholeheartedly. That will end all of your worries. అది నేను యాక్చువల్ ప్రాక్టికల్గా ఫాలో అవుతున్నాను. కొంతవరకు సక్సీడ్ అవుతున్నాను. అది ఓకే. వినిపించిందా?
yes.
వినిపించింది.
ఇంకో చిన్న ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ విత్ నెహ్రూ. నాకు సర్జరీ అయిన తర్వాత మీ నాన్న వెళ్ళాం. బీన్ టు మెహరాబాద్ నుంచి మెహరాబాద్ వెళ్ళాం ఆపరేషన్ తర్వాత. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ మండలి లంచ్ టైం, మండలి టైంలో ఏంటంటే దే సెడ్ దట్ ద ఉమెన్ మండలి ఆర్ కమింగ్. అప్పుడు మెహర్ మణి అందరూ గోయర్ వీళ్ళందరూ ఉండేవారు. సో దే సెడ్ దట్ దే ఆర్ కమింగ్ టు ద షెడ్, వేర్ యూరిచ్ వాస్ గివింగ్ హిస్ టాక్స్. సో వీఆర్ ఆల్ నేను నాన్న వెళ్ళి ఆ సైడ్కి నించున్నాం. సో మామూలుగా మెహరా దే టేక్ దట్ సేమ్ రూట్, దట్ పాత్ వాట్ షీ హ్యాస్ త్రూ ద గార్డెన్ కదా. We're a bit away from that because males are not supposed to touch or go near to Mehra. Suddenly she stops and she comes towards us. Now everybody, అందరూ నాన్న నేను దండం పెట్టాం, greeted all the mandali, and then they said, do you know this is Dr. Krishna Rao, this is Bonnie baby. She said, I know. Tata, I think it's Gohar who told was telling Mehra he has gone through a surgery. She just looked at me and said, I know. As if she knows the whole thing. And through her eyes, she looks at me and Nana. That gaze, she asked me, are you thinking of Baba? I said, yes. Baba is taking care. He is taking care of everything. Baba is. She looks so sternly, and I still remember that gaze. It's all, She looks at me. I said, the same thing. Words in Baba takes care. Why should I worry? This is what I told her, and she says, you're all blessed. Baba is with you. Keep Baba with you. And then she says, don't push Baba too much. Smiling. You don't push and pressurize Baba too much. And Jepa smiling, Baba is with you all. And Jepila says, and I'll never forget that the look and stare into, direct stare she has given to me. That's the one occasion we met Mehra. Deva.
Very beautiful, Prasanna. Very beautiful. I read a story some time ago. So Baba was there in Maharajad, and there is one surgeon in Bombay, Dr. Gindi. He used to come and take care of Baba's health once in a way. So one evening he came to treat Baba for something. And then he expressed the idea he wants to stay that night. And Baba said, okay. And just before that, he had a heart attack. He recovered and he was okay. He was recovering. So Baba said, okay. And then he slept in the night, and next day morning he got up, and then he went to the back of the Maharajad. And అక్కడ ఒక ఇది ఉంటుంది కదా మౌంటైన్, దాని మౌంటైన్ పేరు ఏం పేరు అది, seclusion hill ఉంటుంది. He felt so good, so beautiful. He wants to walk there. And then Irich was there, and Irich and Irich's brother Merwan. And they said, no, you had a heart attack and you want to go there, walk there, but take rest. Oh, no, I want to enjoy. This is so beautiful. I want to go there. Okay, అని చెప్పేసి ఎందుకైనా మంచిది అని చెప్పేసి Irich and Irich's brother Merwan walked along with Ginde to the foot of the hill. And then Ginde said, I want to go up to the top of the hill. Irich said, no, don't go. No, don't worry, I'm fine. Then they started walking. Meanwhile, some people went and told Baba, this is what's happening. Baba started worrying. What is this? He had a heart attack, and Baba started really worrying a lot. And then he called Baba Kalchari and he said, go and see what's happening there. And then Baba Kalchari ran there, and they already going up to the hill. And then Baba didn't keep quiet. He started worrying, what's happening? I hope Ginde is going to be okay. His health is going to be okay. He's very tiresome to go up the hill. He had a recent heart attack and JP. Inkevarno. He summoned somebody else and asked him, go see what's happening. And meanwhile, they went to the top. They enjoyed the serene moment, and Ginde also enjoyed. And finally, they got down. They all came back. And then they told that he came back, and Baba was very happy and relieved. So this is the story. So Baba also, in the human form, worried. He expressed the worry. So when Baba is worried, Baba is telling us, don't worry. What is that? I don't understand that. Can anybody show any light on that?
Ravi. Jai Baba. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
Baba, worry is for some purpose. He worries. There is one incident it happened. He has to give darshan. He is not able to get up from the bed. Francis Brabazan, you all know, Australian Baba lover. Okay, he wrote "Stay with God." He thought in his mind, he says he's avatar, he's God. He is now not able to get up from the bed only. How can he give darshan? He is looking so weak. He thought in his mind. Suddenly Baba get up. He gave with 2 fists. He ఒకసారి పంచ్ ఇచ్చారు అనమాట ఫర్ ఫ్రాన్సిస్ బ్రబ్జాన్ అండ్ ద అదర్ పర్సన్, సమ్ అదర్ మండలి మెంబర్. దే హ్యావ్ ఫాలన్ నియర్ ద డోర్. ఒక 10 feet అవే ఎవరో ఒక పహిల్వాన్ పంచ్ ఇచ్చినట్టు. ఓకే, he cleared when he worries. For some purpose, he is worrying for that. Not in our human sense, he is worrying. Okay. This is one incident in Treasures is written. So, Ravi, your question is regarding why he worried, being God. There is some purpose, whatever he does. Okay. ఒకసారి వెళ్తూ ఉంటే నాకు ఆకలేస్తుంది అంటే ఎరిచ్ యూజ్ టు క్యారీ ఆల్వేస్ అ కిరోసిన్ స్టవ్ సమ్ వెసల్స్. క్విక్లీ he prepared food and he ate 1 teaspoon, that's all, because he was solving somewhere, some other country, people are dying of hunger. For that purpose he worried, took that 1 spoon. So Baba said, don't try to understand me అని ఇప్పుడు ప్రసన్న కూడా ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చాడు కదా, డోంట్ యూజ్ యువర్ మైండ్, యూజ్ యువర్ హార్ట్. మై వేస్, మై ప్లాన్స్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ టు సాల్వ్ సమ్ అదర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. ఫర్ అవుట్ సైడ్ we are feeling he is very okay. That is my
what can we understand from that incident? Yeah, of course we are not going to question Baba or what is that we can understand from that India story. That is the question.
Don't judge my acts. Whatever you see me doing, don't judge with your intelligence. Bigger purpose is there behind. Mandali hall lo koncham water unte he shouted all the Mandali members, you want to kill me, this that a small what little water is there, they were thinking somewhere else he was solving the problem. Some floods వచ్చేస్తున్నాయి, ఊళ్ళల్లో వచ్చేస్తున్నాయి, inundated all the houses. To solve that problem he used a small incident here. That is what my
no I'm not judging Baba.
Adenda worry
question came up. Baba worried. We also worry, no matter, even if we listen to Prasanna's talk, he gave a wonderful talk. Yeah. Tomorrow we're going to worry again. Anybody else any thoughts on that?
One more minute I'll take.
We all worry, okay? We all worry, but we have to make a conscious effort not to worry. Leave our worry to Baba, which are certain things are not in our hands. So those things.
Conscious effort not to worry, alag Prasanna. Worry is something of your thought.
No, thought is different. Thinking is different. Worry is different.
Let Gautam finish his thought. Prasanna, let Gautam.
అంటే వరీ నాట్ టు వరీ అనేది ఇట్స్ నాట్ వరీ అంటే అది అవుతుంది. వరీయింగ్ పీపుల్ హు ఆర్ వరీ ఇస్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఫర్ లైఫ్. ది ఓన్లీ ఇస్ నాట్ సో మచ్
బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది.
Gautam, you are not very clear.
Gautam, clarity లేదు.
Okay, I am fine now.
Better.
Yes.
Yeah. So basically, Prasanna అంటుంది ఏంటంటే not to worry అని. Not to worry cannot happen. Worry is going to happen, and worry is a part of our life. Kada?
Correct.
Hello? Yeah. Worry is going to be a part of our life. How it affects us అనేది, that's our reaction. Obviously, our reaction to that worry is going to be that's something which we can control or whatever it is.
See, that is what we have to learn. Tomorrow we are not going to stop worrying. We continue to worry. Okay? How are we going to channelize our energies in a positive way so that we can start worrying less? That's number one. Number two, Prasanna talked about attachment. If we worry and if we attach too much to the worry, then that becomes gets aggravated. We have to be less and less attached to our worry.
Worry always happens until it does not happen. Events happen. How you react to them is one way of reaction is worry. Right? So events happen, right? You can stop events from happening, good, bad, whatever, right? But I think it is the worry is our reaction. Adi man coach, kada? Worry doesn't happen.
That's a good point. How do you react to your mind experiencing worry? How do you react to that? That is what we have to channelize in a positive direction, and we have to learn how to channelize them. The processes of channelizing the worry aspect.
What you choose, the path you choose.
Correct, Praveen.
మాట్లాడచ్చా ప్రసన్న రవి? Can I
Praveen.
talk to you?
So what I'm saying is, what you're
Hey,
saying
Baba.
is, this could be a worry అంటున్నావు కదా. హలో,
ఏం చెప్పు, మళ్ళీ చెప్పు ఏమన్నా.
నువ్వు అంటుంది ఏంటంటే మనం ఒక ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఈవెంట్ కి మన రియాక్షన్ ఇస్ వరీ అంటున్నావు, అంతేనా?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. I got your point.
ఒకసారి I'm entering, okay? Can I talk, Ravi?
You already entered, Akka. You are there.
You're already talking, Gita. Go ahead.
Nobody is listening to me. Okay?
How do you know that we are not listening to you?
All
Because
listening.
you're
You
not
can say.
responding. Can I enter? Not responding.
We're all muted, Gita. That's why. It takes some time to unmute and say that. Go ahead.
Let me use this time. We see the personalities, different personalities. Some people are always worried. Some people are calm, cool, take it in their stride. Some of them in the middle. It depends, our personalities depends our previous samskaras, okay? And that is also one. We don't deal as an independent thought. What Baba said, how we are using Baba's words. Actually, recently I have faced a problem. I don't go in detail, okay? And I was a little bit worried, but at the same time, Baba, it comes back to me. And if I'm destined to get it, and very serious, not health or anything, then Baba, I left it to Baba. Whole thing cleared. When sun rises, mist how is cleared. Tak. Everything clear. Okay. And that I feel when we leave it completely in the hands of Baba with 100% faith, when he says, when you worry, you don't have 100% conviction in me. When we rely on him, don't take it how you independently, how we deal. Don't talk how Baba helping us in dealing our challenges. He helps. He says, I am closer than your breath. 100% every second I experience that. Okay. See, this is how Baba helps. We have our own weaknesses. Okay. We do 100% effort and do the work. Still, as in Bhagavad Gita, leave the results to me. Baba also said, don't think about the results. When 100% faith in his, suppose if whatever we are doing, if fails also, Baba says that is for your good. Some better plan is there for him. I am giving my own example, Prasanna. I fell down on the passage and I was alone. I couldn't get up before my surgery, hip surgery. I was thinking Baba, because both the sides iron gates. Then suddenly servant has a key to the back iron gate. She came because she forgot her purse. She came and backside the iron gate I didn't close. She said, Ma, I forgot. Oh, thank God. Can you help me? I am not able to get up from the passage. Okay? She helped me. But she couldn't withstand my weight. She couldn't lift me up. Appudu sudden ga somebody knocked at the front door. Okay? See, somebody has come and he said, who is that? And I said, Arun, one fellow. He came for some work and said, will you please help this lady in lifting me up? Both of them lifted me up. Then particularly that heavy fall, okay? Immediately I called Prasanna. Prasanna, I remember. Prasanna, I called you. Prasanna told me you walk up and down. And I said, when you are walking, you are okay. He told some medicine, put the bandage to the ankle sole. That person brought the medicine, everything. Okay. After 6 months, I suffered like that. I went to Singapore, Ravi, when you were there. And I came to Vijayawada. I am suffering with a problem at the ankle. When I went to the hospital, Manipal, they said, your bigger problem is near the hip. Prasanna, you are following this case. So God creates smaller problem to solve the bigger problem. Okay. So So something of results comes, doesn't that's good, and మనం ఏది జరగలేదు అనుకోండి, మనం చేసిన ప్రాజెక్ట్ we fail. Baba does that for two. He has a bigger plan in creating that loss, whatever failure. That is this case why I am narrating. Baba created the smaller problem, then he solved the bigger problem of my hip joint operation. Manipal people were making me, you will be bedridden, urgent. Prasanna was in America. Prasanna, they are telling me I will become bedridden. What should I do? He said, oh, so many years wait for me. He was in America 1 month. I will come and do your surgery.
So bigger problems, you divert your mind from smaller problem to bigger problem, huh? Diversion.
Yeah. Bigger problem, solve bigger problem. Suppose we fail in our మనం పని చేసేదైనా ఫెయిల్ అవుతే, he has a bigger plan for us. We failed here. Okay,
that's a good point.
So Prasanna, you are following all this case. Later Kiran's surgery all followed up. Okay, you understood?
I would like to
Jai Baba Gita.
put one point, one important point.
చండి కొంచెం దూరంగా మాట్లాడచండి, కొంచెం ఇది అవుతుంది, స్పీకర్ కి రీసౌండ్ ఇస్తుంది, కొంచెం దూరంగా మాట్లాడు.
Okay.
Yeah.
The most important factor is our attitude towards a problem. అది బాబా కూడా చెప్పారు, your outlook matters. How you look at a problem. కొంతమంది చూసారా చాలా ఈజీ గోయింగ్ ఉంటారు, ఎంత పెద్దదైనా కూడా ఏం పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది. కొంతమంది చిన్న వాటికి అప్సెట్ అయిపోతుంటారు. అది మెంటల్ మేకప్ బట్టి కూడా ఉంటుంది. తర్వాత కొంత ప్రాక్టీస్ వల్ల కూడా మన యాటిట్యూడ్స్ మార్చుకుంటే, ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ కొంతమంది ఏంటంటే హై స్కూల్ స్టూడెంట్స్, కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉంటారు, ఏదన్నా పరీక్ష పోయింది అనుకోండి, ఏదో పెద్ద ఇదైపోయినట్టు రిసార్ట్ సూసైడ్ ఆల్సో. యాక్చువల్గా అది వాళ్ళ యాటిట్యూడ్ అదనమాట. అలాగే చిన్న గొడవలు అయినప్పుడు కూడా మనం న్యూస్ లో చూస్తుంటాం, దే కమిట్, ఎస్పెషలీ ఉమెన్, దే ఆర్ సో ఎమోషనల్. చిన్న దీనికే దే రిసార్ట్ టు దట్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ దిస్ థింగ్, సూసైడ్. సో బాబా కూడా అదే చెప్పారు, అవుట్లుక్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టువర్డ్స్ ఎ ప్రాబ్లం, టువర్డ్స్ ఎనీథింగ్. మన యాటిట్యూడ్ మారిస్తే మొత్తం ప్రాబ్లం కూడా ఇదైపోతుంది. మనం వీ కెన్ మినిమైజ్ ది ప్రాబ్లం ఆల్సో. Am I right?
Yes, Aunty. Yes, you are right.
Attitude. బాబా ఏం చెప్పారు, అవుట్లుక్ అన్నారు, యాటిట్యూడ్ మనం చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటే వర్రీని కూడా మినిమైజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మినిమైజ్ చేయడమా, లేకపోతే కంప్లీట్ గా వీ కెన్ స్టాప్ వరింగ్ అబౌట్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఆర్ సో. దట్ ఈస్ ఎ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్, వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్.
మన మైండ్కి వరి అనేది టిప్ ఆఫ్ ద మైండ్ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. ఎప్పుడు మనం ఎంకరేజ్ చేసామంటే అప్పుడు ఇట్ డజంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ క్వామ్స్ టు స్టార్ట్ డాన్సింగ్ అనమాట. ఓన్లీ థింగ్ వీ కెన్ డూ ఈస్ టు మినిమైజ్ ఇట్ సో దట్ ఇట్ డజంట్ బీ యాక్టివ్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ సమ్ అదర్ avenues so that, like love Baba, remembering Baba, thinking about the future, planning about the future, how we can interact my weakness, అవి ఆలోచిస్తా ఉంటే ఈ వీక్నెస్ సెటిల్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఇట్ డజంట్.
ఒక ఫినామినన్ ఒకటి ఉంది. హలో,
యా, గో హెడ్.
ఓకే, anyone want to speak?
Go ahead Gautam.
Yeah. So you heard of this term called Dunning-Kruger effect, తెలుసా? Dunning-Kruger effect అని. పవన్ కిరణ్
తెలుసురా.
Dunning-Kruger effect అంటే ఏం లేదు. People who are not so confident, people who don't really think are usually overconfident about themselves. Overconfident కాదు, confident of doing any task. Okay, there's something of a sort of psychological దీంట్లో నడుస్తూ ఉంటుంది అది, that term goes in అన్నమాట. And actually overthinking and worrying is a part of higher intelligence. Actually, the people who think, they are not very confident about themselves. ఎక్కువ ఆలోచన వస్తే డెఫినెట్ గా వరి కూడా ఎక్కువగానే ఉంటది. అంటే ఇంత ముందు ఒకసారి ప్రసన్న ఇచ్చేస్తున్నప్పుడు చెప్పాడు ఒకటి, ఇఫ్ యువర్ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఇస్ గుడ్ దెన్ నథింగ్ టు వరీ అబౌట్ అని. యూజువలీ వెన్ వి సీ ద బెస్ట్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ ద వన్స్ హు ఆర్ మోర్ వరీడ్ అబౌట్. ద లెస్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ వన్స్ ఎవడేం వరీ అవడు అసలు. ఓకే, సో వరింగ్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్ యూ షుడ్ షెడ్ ఇట్ ఆఫ్, ఆర్ దాని నుంచి పారిపోవడానికి ట్రై చేయకూడదు. Worrying is a part of our life. It is going to happen as you delve into your higher forms of intelligence. That's going to happen. Any comments?
Okay.
Very good
Yeah.
points, Gautam.
Okay, maybe I want